Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Freedom of speech is a cornerstone of any democratic society. It is the right to express one's thoughts, ideas, and opinions without fear of censorship or retaliation. This fundamental right allows individuals to participate in civic life, question authority, criticize injustice, and share perspectives that contribute to a richer and more inclusive society. In modern democracies, freedom of speech is enshrined in legal frameworks and constitutions. In the United States, the First Amendment guarantees it. In India, Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution protects this right. However, it is not absolute. Reasonable restrictions exist in the interest of national security, public order, decency, and morality. These limitations aim to balance individual liberty with social responsibility. Freedom of speech includes the right to seek, receive, and impart information and ideas. It covers various forms of expression like spoken, written, artistic, symbolic, and digital. This right enables the media to act as a watchdog, exposing corruption and holding power accountable. A free press is vital for an informed citizenry and healthy democracy. However, freedom of speech also comes with responsibility. It should not be used to incite violence, spread hate, or defame individuals. The misuse of this right can lead to social unrest and damage communal harmony. Thus, while the right is protected, it must be exercised wisely. The digital age has transformed how we communicate. Social media platforms have empowered individuals to express opinions globally within seconds. This has amplified marginalized voices and fostered global movements such as #MeToo and Black Lives Matter. Yet, it has also led to challenges like misinformation, cyberbullying, and echo chambers. The question arises, how do we preserve freedom of speech while preventing its abuse online? Governments and tech companies grapple with this dilemma. Content moderation, while necessary, can sometimes infringe on free speech. The line between harmful content and dissenting opinion is often blurred. In authoritarian regimes, this ambiguity is exploited to suppress criticism. Journalists and activists face censorship, imprisonment, or worse. In such contexts, freedom of speech becomes not just a right but a courageous act. In democratic societies, the role of education is fostering a culture of free speech is crucial. Schools and universities must encourage open dialogue, critical thinking, and respectful debate. Students should learn that disagreement is not disrespect and that truth often emerges through the clash of differing ideas. Freedom of speech is also intertwined with freedom of thought and conscience. It empowers individuals to challenge orthodoxy, question traditions, and advocate for change. Social reformers throughout history, whether it was Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King Jr., or Nelson Mandela, used their voice to inspire movements and transform societies. In India, freedom of speech has been at the heart of many landmark cases. The Supreme Court has upheld this right as essential to democracy. In the case of Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras, the court observed that freedom of speech and expression lay at the foundation of all democratic organizations. In Shreya Singhal versus Union of India, Section 66A of the IT Act was struck down for being vague and infringing upon free speech. Despite these protections, challenges persist. Sedition laws, defamation suits, and vague regulations are sometimes used to silence dissent. Artists, writers, and comedians often face backlash for their work. Public protests are curtailed on grounds of law and order. In such cases, civil society plays a vital role in defending this right. Freedom of speech must also be inclusive. It should extend to all sections of society, including minorities, women, and marginalized communities. Their voices must not be drowned by dominant narratives. True freedom exists when everyone, regardless of background, can speak and be heard. At the same time, the right to speak must be balanced with the right to be safe from hate speech. This requires clear laws, impartial enforcement, and public awareness. Society must cultivate a culture of tolerance and empathy. Dialogue, not silence, should be the response to offensive ideas. In global forums, freedom of speech is recognized as a human right. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights in Article 19 states everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression. This global consensus underscores its universal value. However, the extent to which this right is respected varies from country to country. In conclusion, freedom of speech is not just a legal right but a cultural value, a democratic necessity, and a tool for progress. It empowers individuals, strengthens institutions, and fosters innovation. But it must be preserved with care, used with responsibility, and protected with vigilance. As societies evolve, the debates around this right will continue, but its importance will remain undiminished. For as long as people speak, there will be hope, dialogue, and the possibility of a better world. Stop.